Hello, what is your name?
Hello, I'm Nancy Paras.
How old are you?
I'm 43 years old.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes.
Do you have kids?
Yeah, I have 2 kids.
How old are they?
19 and 21.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
4 years and 11 months.
Okay, do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yeah,
Where?
in Saudi Arabia.
How many years?
2 years.
Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
2 years.
Where's your employer living in?
Living in Taipo Market.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
3,000.
How many family member there?
4.
How many children?
2.
Okay, how old are they?
13 and 11.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning at 6:30 in the morning and prepare the breakfast for my baby. Then go to school at 7 o'clock. And 7 o'clock I go outside to bring the dog to poo, and
Okay.
then I start working at 8 o'clock. Then when my mom wake up at 10 o'clock, I prepare the breakfast.
Okay, so do you go market?
No.
Okay, so you clean the house, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What time you cook for the dinner?
6 o'clock.
What time they eat?
7 o'clock.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
Sometimes at 8:30, 9 o'clock.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank